goes with development. As you can see, we are at the final stages of dualizing this road. It is a federal road that we got approval from the federal government to dualize the road and reconstruct, and that's what we're doing. Because even though it's a federal road, most of the people that use it are people. And as we are doing it, we are also doing the one from Conway to Power. And the idea is that any time we get people out of the city, we know you will get people out of the city. So, having said that, all that is left for me to thank you for the warm reception. Thank you for the support you are giving this government, because this is the government. I assure you that this government will continue to do the right thing. No one or no group of people, whoever they are, none of them is entitled to distract us. So, with the amendment, like I said last week, we should not be bothered about noise. We should just remain focused and do what we have to do. At the appropriate time, when elections are still too far away. So, sometimes I worry if it is the 2027 election they are talking about, maybe there's another election coming up. But the same way God delivered 2023.